If you're ready to set up Livestorm for your first live webinar, you've come to the right place. This quick Livestorm guide will walk you through the exact steps you need to take to get up and running in no time. Whether you're completely new to webinars or just need a refresher, you'll find everything you need right here. First off, if you haven't already, you can use Livestorm for free through the first link in the description. Yes, you can try it out without any commitment and get access to exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive into setting up your first live webinar on Livestorm. Once you log into Livestorm, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. Here, you can create a new event by clicking on Create an Event. Livestorm makes it easy with a simple wizard-style flow. You'll select Webinar as your event type and give it a name, like How to Set Up Livestorm for Your First Webinar or whatever suits your brand. Next, you'll pick the date and time for your event. This is crucial because timing your webinar correctly can significantly affect attendance. Livestorm even gives you the option to add a time zone, so your attendees know exactly when to join, no matter where they are in the world. Now let's talk about the webinar registration page. Livestorm makes it easy to create a beautiful branded page where attendees can sign up. You can customize the colors, logo, and description to match your brand. You'll want to include a compelling message in your event description to make sure people want to sign up. A good tip is to highlight the benefits of attending the webinar right at the top. After that, Livestorm allows you to add speakers and moderators. You can add presenters who will be live on the webinar with you. For moderators, you can designate someone who will help manage the chat, respond to questions, and keep the event running smoothly. Now it's time to focus on the communication tools. Livestorm gives you plenty of options to engage with your audience before and during the webinar. You can send automated reminder emails leading up to the event, ensuring your attendees don't forget to show up. You can also create and send invitations with a personalized message to increase attendance. When it comes to the webinar itself, Livestorm offers easy-to-use features like screen sharing, real-time chat, polls, and Q&A. These interactive features will keep your audience engaged and help make the experience more dynamic. You'll want to practice using these features ahead of time, so everything runs smoothly on the day of the event. Once you've gone through all these settings, you're ready to launch. But before you hit go live, make sure to test everything, check your audio, video, and slides. It's important to make sure everything works perfectly before you broadcast to your audience. If you need to make any changes during the webinar, Livestorm's control panel is intuitive and easy to use. You can mute microphones, share screens, and manage the flow of the session all from one place. And here's a little secret. After your event, you can use Livestorm's analytics to see detailed reports on how attendees interacted with your webinar. You'll get insights into who attended, how long they stayed, and even which parts of the webinar they found most engaging. This data is invaluable for improving your future webinars. Before you go, I want to remind you that this video is sponsored by Livestorm, and if you click the first link below, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of the platform. This is a great opportunity to test out Livestorm for your next live webinar completely free. Now you're ready to set up your first webinar and start engaging your audience like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial below.